अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। मैं आपको स्ट्रक्चर्स अंडर कवर ऑफ ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, तो प्लीज़ ये मेरे वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। सो दिस इज़ ग्लूटियस मैक्सिमस मसल, ग्लूटियस मीडियस मसल एंड ग्लूटियस मिनिमस. This is gluteus minimus. Next, superior gluteal nerves and vessels. This is superior gluteal vessels and nerves. And this is piriformis muscle. And here it is inferior gluteal vessels and nerves. Inferior gluteal vessels and nerves. This piriformis muscle is called a ski muscle because above it lies the superior gluteal vessels and nerves, and below lies the inferior gluteal nerves and vessels. So this much. Okay, then next we'll find the thickest nerve, that is the sciatic nerve. This is a sciatic nerve. This is the largest nerve of the body, which is the only nerve which supplies the posterior compartment of the thigh. When we lift these vessels, here we'll see the tendon. That tendon is known as tendon of obturator internus, above which lies the tendon of the superior gemelli. This is a tendon of superior gemelli and the inferior gemelli, and this is the inferior gluteal nerve which supplies the gluteus maximus muscle. And another one small nerve, that is known as posterior cutaneous nerve of the thigh. Next we'll find is the this is all about this, and here we'll find the ischial tuberosity. This is known as here, wait, I'll show you. Here this is a ischial tuberosity, and this is ischial tuberosity, and and this is a greater trochanter of the head of the femur. In between the greater trochanter of the head of the femur and ischial tuberosity, we'll find the quadratus femoris muscle. Next we'll find here is the lesser sciatic notch, and this is a greater sciatic notch. In lesser sciatic notch we have pin structure, that is we'll find the pin structure. Three structures we'll find, that is from medial to the lateral. First one is a pudendal nerve. This is a pudendal nerve, and next an internal pudendal artery, and next one is this is internal pudendal artery, and next one is nerve to obturator internus. From medial to lateral pin structures we'll find in the lesser sciatic foramen. So this is all about the gluteus maximus, structures under cover of gluteus maximus. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.